Best act on the live shows. Best new act in America.
By far, the best thing I have seen on this show.
You all are a world-class act.
That is $1 million act right there.
It's groundbreaking what you do. It's incredible. It's breathtaking. I was at an Apple developer conference and they were talking about how wireless chips were getting smaller and smaller and they can be put into different devices. And so I started thinking, what can I do with an iPhone app and a dancer? And it started with like an interactive kind of museum type installation that turned into this whole entertainment system that became iLuminate. And kind of since then, it's been a crazy ride, from working with major recording artists like Chris Brown, Black Eyed Peas, Christina Aguilera, to Austin Mahone, to different people. And then we have shows at theme parks, on cruise ships, we do private events, we have a touring family show, a New York show, and we hope to open in Vegas when it's safe. So it's been a crazy ride, and it's all started with this love for technology.